Hey, do you want to ensure that families can easily find your funeral services online? You should have your SEO dialed in. So, what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. And I know that that sounds complicated, but all it really means is doing whatever it is that you have to do to make sure that your funeral home comes up on the first page of Google when someone is searching for your services. Now, studies show that 75% of users never scroll past the first page of search results. Now, here are three must-know SEO strategies. Number one, keyword optimization. Keywords are words or phrases that people are searching for. So use keywords like funeral home in your city name in your website headers and blog posts. Second, quality content. Now you need to post valuable articles like 5 things to know about funeral planning and post them frequently. Consistent content can improve your search rankings by 434% according to HubSpot. Also include local news and updates to attract a local audience. And number 3, local listings. Ensure that your funeral home is correctly listed on Google, on your Google business profile. So for example, you want to add your address, your phone number, and then set your hours probably to 24 hours. Businesses with complete listings are twice as likely to be considered reputable. So make sure that you also add photos in there as well, and you update that often. Now, by implementing these SEO strategies, you'll improve your online visibility. Test them out and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to review your analytics to track for progress. Hit that follow button for more advice.